Keep it up. You've only done 10 seconds. Is it hard work? Keep going, you're doing well. 20 seconds.
Throw the fish. Throw the ball, please. I think I'm going to fall over. Don't.
You've done over 30 seconds. You're halfway through. Keep it going. Naomi, that's bullying. Damien, keep going. Clap. Come on. Keep going. Yeah, keep it up. Way. You've got 10 seconds left. Keep going, keep going, keep going. little shake. 3, 2, 1, yay! Go! Faster. Faster.
That's not clapping.
That
is clapping! I want my ball in my mouth.
20 seconds.
Am I allowed to put it in my mouth?
Yes.
Put it in my mouth.
Shove it in.
Put it in my mouth.
Yeah, open wide.
Right, halfway, 30 seconds. Keep going.
Oh, that's shocking.
20 seconds. Come on, push it.
Wait,
I
can't. I need it.
Well, you wasted valuable time. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6. Go for the sprint. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And the winner is Naomi.
Yay!